everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
Now, what is orbit or orbital region? These orbits or orbital region is the area is basically oval like structure or hollow structure which is present on the skull. As you know, if you see the skull and you see that there are some holes, okay, there are two holes basically on each side of the nose. So that hole is for the eyeball, okay, and that hole or that hollow structure in which eyeball is present is called as orbit, okay. Now these orbits are cone like structure, okay. The base of the orbit is anteriorly and it is broader and the apex is narrower and it is present internally, okay. So if you want to define the orbit more specifically, so the two bony cavities on the skull which is hollow and quadrangular in shape in which eye is present is called as orbit or orbital cavity. This definition is also present in Easy Medical Book Volume 2. Now, what are the boundaries? And the most important question is what are the bones, which bones are forming the orbital cavity. So if you remember the boundaries, you will easily remember the bones as well. Now, superior boundary or superior wall of the orbital cavity. If you see the skull and if you see the orbital cavity, superior side पे कौन सी bone होती है? Frontal bone होती है. So superior wall will be formed by frontal bone. The inferior wall is formed by maxilla bone. Okay, maxilla, as you know, maxilla is present below the orbital cavity, and inferior wall is also called as orbital floor. The lateral wall is formed by zygomatic bone, and the medial wall is formed by ethmoid bone and lacrimal bone, okay. The medial wall is present right next to the nose, okay, and this medial wall is very straight, whereas lateral wall is moving towards the medial wall. That's why we say that the orbital cavity is cone like, okay. होता ये है कि medial wall straight जाती है, एक ट्रायंगुलर है बेसिकली. अगर आप ऑर्बिटल कैविटी को खोलो या ऊपर से देखो तो आपको अंदर से देखो तो आपको पता चलेगा दैट इंटरनली इट लुक्स लाइक अ कोन, आइसक्रीम कोन, okay. So medial wall is going straight but the lateral wall is moving towards the medial wall and joining with the medial wall. Therefore we can say that it is cone like structure. Now when the lateral wall and medial wall are joining, that the meeting point of that lateral wall and the medial wall, there is a canal called optic canal and superior orbital fissure, okay. So obviously, as you know, these are the foramen and these are the openings, okay. Now base and the apex, like I said, base is broader area. The shortcut is simple: B for base, B for broad. So it is broad and it is present anteriorly and it forms the orbital margin of the orbital cavity. Now apex is present internally near the optic canal and it is present in the lesser wing of sphenoid bone. So if someone asks you which bones are involved in orbital cavity, so you will easily say that frontal bone, zygomatic bone, maxilla bone and sphenoid bone and ethmoid bone. So these bones are involved in orbital cavity. What are the contents of this orbital cavity? This is very simple. Eyeball, as you all know, eyeball is very simple. Eyeball is present, muscles are present, okay, nerves are present, vessels are present and fascia. Vessels include arteries and veins, nerve, as you know, nerve supply, muscles present and eyeball is present and fascia is present. Now we will talk each of this content: eyeball, muscles of the orbital cavity, nerve supply of the orbital cavity, vessels of the orbital cavity, in each of the lecture. But in this lecture I would like to tell you orbital fascia because it's very short topic. Orbital fascia is basically the layer of the fat which surrounds the orbital cavity internally. Now what happens? The internally, like as you know that internally the orbital cavity is cone like structure, so that cone is basically covered by a fascia, a fat layer, the layer of fat, the layer of connective tissue, that is called as orbital fascia. Okay, so it will protect the eyeball, as well as there are many functions as well of the fascia, but you have to remember that orbital fascia surrounds the orbital cavity internally. So this was basically the introduction, you can say introduction of orbital cavity. So take care, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Thank you.